So I've reinstalled the belt and on the tensioner side also to the original specs, like about 2 inches from the clip to the end of the bracket, and about, should be, according to a lot of videos I saw, it should be 1.25 inch of the spring compression itself. So now we're ready to try it again. Hopefully it'll now work with those codes, not those 11 flashing LED codes not happening anymore. And hopefully it should all work. No flashing codes anymore. So let's try it out. Okay, let's see if the, yeah. Actually, the other thing to check is that the sensors are working. They're aligned, because according to a lot of videos I saw, the right sensor should show a green LED and the left sensor should show a yellow LED. So hopefully it should all work now. I'm going to use my remote to activate the door. And oh, the other thing to check was, oh yeah, there's one thing I forgot to check, which was the direction in which the garage door is supposed to open. I completely forgot. So this is the direction with the trolley all the way to the end. So for this to work, the trolley should be pulled out. So this should actually turn this way. Let's see if that's what actually happens, because it's possible that open is now closed and closed is now open, which could be a problem. Okay, let's see. Yep, that's the problem. It's trying to close the garage door, so the motor is moving in the opposite direction. Let's try again. Oh, it won't work now, and it's probably flashing those. Yeah, it's trying to close the garage door when it should be trying to open it. So I should actually, I think I know what I should do. I should not have actually put the belt back in, or I wonder if there's a way to reverse it now. Open versus closed.